Hey, welcome to the channel. We can do better than this. Let's go get a better tool. Welcome to the first video on Mac Specialties properties. Today we are gonna do some things around the house, and we're gonna need a new tool to do this. And we picked up chainsaw. We got the drills, the same brand drill. We got the same brand weed whipper. So I thought, hey, we gotta cut down a massive tree so we can park our new camper in that area. And we will, well, let's just unbox it. Interesting. For max performance, use the 3.0 amp hour battery or greater. What did we get? Let's grab that since we're talking about it. That's for the weed whipper I was talking about. I remember what was in this bag. Oh yeah, we went higher than 3. We went with the 5. We better get that on the charger, huh? A lot of these come charged. These batteries, I should say. But we're gonna cut that massive tree down. We're gonna need all the amps we can get. You get into these things. Impossible. Let me into you. This battery is really gonna work well with my weed whipper, because to do the whole yard with the weed whipper, we usually need 2 of the batteries, which are a 1.5. So we use it in the drill, and we also use it in the weed whipper. But it takes about 2 of these batteries to do the full yard. Big 5. We're gonna do the whole yard, and hopefully cut that whole tree down. If I can get into this package. Let's try scissors. Shoes. I'll put that on the charger. Barn chain oil. We'll put that baby on. Guess I'll take this guy off. You know, we could probably read the instructions. But, you know, that seems boring. What? Came with a little baby oil in there. Aw, cute. Oh, there's a little gauge on the side. See how much oil you have in there. That's kind of neat. See if we can do this without looking at the instructions. Oh yeah, it's definitely doable. Just took those zip ties off and slapped the bar on here. It's got like a little, I'm sure there's a term for this little pulley here. Make sure everything's lined up. Dang it. Maybe we should use this little baby oil first. Drink up, little chainsaw. So we'll let that big boy battery charge up. Let's steal the one from the drill. So little. I wonder what this thing's gonna sound like. Something's definitely wrong with the chain. Got that kickback thing going on? Nope. Not like a regular chainsaw. Okay, that chain's not on somehow. Definitely adjustable. Here. Let's see what that gives us. Ooh, lots better. I was just gonna cut the big tree down. Okay, here's our mission. We need to take care of this old abandoned garden that we no longer use. We're going to wipe it out, and we're going to put a pad here to store our camper. Problem is, we need to take down a half-dead pine tree and take down the fencing on that section so we can slide in our new camper. First thing we need to do is take down that big pine tree with that little electric chainsaw that we just purchased from Harbor Freight. Okay, friends, the moment of truth. We're going to try it with the small battery first, 1.5, and see how she cuts. It's a big tree. I don't know if we're going to be able to cut this sucker. Ooh, maybe. Let's do some branches. I have a feeling the battery's dead already. What are we at here? What? This is weird. Can't test the little lights on there. Oh yeah, there's one light on there out of 3, so she's dead. We're almost halfway through this though. So look at that, folks. That made quick work out of that compared to using the manual saw. That's even with a dead battery. I'm feeling optimistic cutting this baby down. Oh, that's a big tree. A lot of branches. And we got a fence. Can we do it? Hey, 2 branches with a dead battery. 3 branches with a dead battery. Oh, will a camper fit in here? Woo, boy. I don't know, boys and girls. Children of all ages. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Okay, let's go get the big battery. Lock and loaded. We should see if it if you're notching her, huh? Might work, guys, if I don't kill myself. Okay, before we get too far, we better go tie up I don't know what they call it, a rope, guide rope. Yeah. To put a lead rope on that top of that tree, we're gonna go with the Badland. This is 8 foot long. I don't know if we have a long enough. Oh no! It's got a strap on it. Oh, sweat. Can we get it out? This thing's fat. Okay, climb her up. And put the tree saver on. A boosta. Boosta. Oh, you're getting a lot farther than I'm giving you credit for. You're gonna make it. You gotta try to find a path to go in between those though. We try to get this tree hugger way up there so we can lead it to our destination. The destination is not to hit the fence or fences. Gotta try to go between that.
How am I gonna get down?
True facts. You gotta take a shower after that though, you're gonna be full of sap. Higher.
Shoot.
High as you can go.
I'm kind of stuck right here.
Well, get up there so you can sit down or something. Put your other foot up. One more foot. Step. One down next to you. There you go. Use that one. Dun dun dun! Gotta wrap it around above your head. I'll go get a cletus. I don't know if our strap's long enough. I wish I had the winch on the Jeep. This might work. Make them even. We gotta put the cletus on. We're gonna even them out. Make sure the strap's flat.
What?
The strap has to be flat on the backside.
Dude.
It's through all three of them. Above that branch. There you go. There you go. Drop her down.
Ah. Ah. Get my phone stuck.
That's why that dog has 3 legs. She bites tires. chainsaw worked. Yeah. Put it neuter park. There we go. I can throw it under that thing and when it's in reverse, dude. Party mode.
So fun.
Okay. That little cordless cut that big old tree down. Oh yeah, so much room for activities. Or for a nice shed there and a camper to go through. Yeah, making progress. Moment of truth. See how big this tree was that we just cut down. 15 inches, not bad for a little 10-inch cordless. Yeah, mighty cordless. Now it's time to get that strap out of that tree, so we'll cut a couple of these off and whammo. What a beast! Yeah! Get it! Get it, girl! Get it! Pull it there! Go pull it to the pile! Pull it to the pile! Hurry! Do it! Grab the stick! Get it! Get the stick! Pull it to the pile! Good girl! Pull it to the pile! That saw is doing its job today.
Go buy one.
Roll it, roll it, roll it.
Wait. We should mole crawl over it first.
Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
Wait, there's some stone marks.
Woo.
Yeah. Oh, locked it. Yeah. Yeah. Beast mode.
That's good.
Can you grab that? Oh yes. I could get it. The plan worked.
Can you? Hi. Hi. Right into the pile.
Time to hide the evidence. The mighty little cordless saw worked out pretty well to cut this big old tree down. Well, that's a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and follow us along as the next project is taking the fence down and leveling the garden out so we can pull the new camper for its new home. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time. Make sure you come back now, you hear?